Hello, I'm Dr. James Metz from the Metz Center for Sleep here in Columbus, Ohio. Today I want to talk about snoring. Yes, that awful sound in the middle of the night that wakes you up and causes families to be disrupted, husbands and wives to sleep in different bedrooms, and breaking of a warm, close bond that is really significant. But you may not have known some of the other problems. People who sleep next to a snorer have problems that are really almost like obstructive sleep apnea that people talk about all the time. It's from poor sleep. They'll develop aches and pains, fatigue, daytime sleepiness, even fibromyalgia-like symptoms, depression, memory impairment, sexual dysfunction, and even weight gain. And this is well documented in the medical literature. Now, the snorer, you hear that from people who sleep next to a snorer, but the snorer is a significantly greater risk for stroke than a non-snorer. Lee, in 2008, did a great study and showed that snoring by itself created arterial sclerosis in the carotid artery. That's up in here by your throat. And if that breaks loose, it causes a stroke in a person that's relatively young and just snores. And this is without sleep apnea. It's just snoring. So it's never just snoring. A man from Mayo I heard say once, anybody that calls it simple snoring is simple, because it really isn't simple.